Digital currencies have steadily pervaded the standard cognizance and built up forward movement, notwithstanding, a considerable lot of them neglect to endure for an extremely long period and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for no particular reason. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2023. As per the Axie Vastness Cost Examination, the base cost of Axies will be around $6.09 in 2023. The most extreme value that the Axies can reach is $14.79. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025. In light of our Axies cost expectation 2025, the cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2030. As per our Axie Boundlessness Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the Axie crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axies may be around $50.43. What is Axie Boundlessness? Axies, being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry. Axie Limitlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie, however, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie Vastness. Axie Boundlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axies is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing cryptographic money. Players can procure the Axies crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token. NFT games have acquired enormous prominence around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the Axie biological system in according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one perspective, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and fabricates a mood of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can possess the local Axie boundlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them and use them across a consistently extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie endlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie endlessness Axies is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In an extraordinary manner, the Axie Endlessness Convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axies completely centers around offering clients the advantage of effective information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and impeccable. In this way supporting its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Is Axie Vastness still beneficial in 2023? Axie Vastness universe offers many advantages, yet the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble-to-rewards proportion was likewise troublesome. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers, as the market has been recuperating, notwithstanding. The recuperation of Axie endlessness was extremely present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axies holders might add more tokens to average their possessions, however for new financial backers, it is an unsafe chance to enter the market. Nonetheless, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie Vastness shards. As per wallet financial backers Axies cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul venture, as the cost at the year-end might drop to $2.044. Though, as indicated by our Axie boundlessness estimate, the Axies cost could start an upturn and cross $19.07 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2023. Our Axie Limitlessness Crypto Cost Forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a nice recuperation toward the finish of 2023. The Axie Endlessness's cost is estimated to have a greatest worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axies Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie Boundlessness Cost Forecast, the Axies coin will precede the upturn as long as possible. and its most extreme worth might reach $17.31, while the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axie's financial backers might acquire respectable benefits in the year. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2025. Axie Endlessness, Axies, in the year 2025, may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16, while the base and greatest Axie Boundlessness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07 individually in light of our Axie Endlessness coin cost expectation 2025. Axie's value expectation 2026. According to the Axie Vastness figure, the Axie coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie Endlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be colossal. Axie's Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie Endlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and most extreme costs of Axies are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie Endlessness coin value expectation 2028. As indicated by our Axie Boundlessness forecast, the most extreme worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie Boundlessness coin expectation 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $46.71. According to our Axie Limitlessness crypto cost forecast. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie Vastness, Axies, the base and normal costs might be around $32.45 and $39.58 individually. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2030. In light of Axies coin cost expectation 2030, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $41.34, $59.51, and $50.43 separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be outstanding. Is it productive to put resources into Axie Vastness, Axies? In view of the Axies cost expectation, it tends to be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie Limitlessness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie Vastness is supposed to be around $59.51. Our Axie Limitlessness cost gauge most certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate. However, the computerized money will ascend from here on out. Where to purchase Axie Endlessness, Axies? Axie Endlessness, Axies, is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so forth.